In recent years, futons have surged in popularity as versatile and space-saving sleeping solutions. Ideal for small apartments, guest rooms, or even camping trips, futons offer comfort combined with portability. Whether you're a minimalist, a traveler, or simply seeking an extra bed, choosing the right futon can be challenging. This guide evaluates the best futons based on comfort, build quality, portability, and value, helping you find the perfect fit for restful sleep. Product number 1, Maxioyo Japanese Futon Mattress Floor Mattress Sleeping Pad. The Maxioyo Japanese Futon Mattress is a versatile and practical choice for anyone seeking a comfortable floor mattress. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to roll up and store, ideal for camping, guest rooms, or as a couch topper. Crafted with high-density cotton filling, this futon provides firm support without sacrificing softness. The breathable cotton cover enhances airflow, ensuring a cool sleeping surface. Lightweight yet durable, it's perfect for those who need a futon that's easy to transport without compromising on comfort. Product number 2, New Type Futon Mattress Sleeping Mat on Floor for Adults. The New Type Futon Mattress offers a great balance of comfort and portability. Designed primarily for adults, it's an excellent option for camping, road trips, or accommodating overnight guests. The mattress uses a soft yet supportive foam layer combined with a removable cotton cover for easy cleaning. Its foldable nature allows for simple storage and transport, making it a convenient choice for those on the move. The New Type mattress is highly praised for its lightweight construction and adequate cushioning, providing a restful sleep on virtually any flat surface. Product number 3, Emor Japanese Futon Mattress Class King Made in Japan White. The Emor Japanese Futon Mattress Class King stands out with its premium craftsmanship, being made in Japan with meticulous attention to detail. This futon features a luxurious cotton cover and an expertly layered filling that offers superb support and comfort, suitable for all-night restful sleep. Its thickness and quality materials ensure durability and resilience against daily use. The minimalist white design complements any bedroom aesthetic, while the foldable format preserves space without sacrificing the feel of a traditional mattress. It's a top-tier choice for those seeking authentic Japanese futon quality. Product number 4, Maxioyo Diamond Patterned Traditional Japanese Futon Mattress. For those looking for extra cushioning, the Maxioyo Diamond Patterned Traditional Japanese Futon Mattress is an outstanding pick. This futon is notably thicker than many competitors, providing enhanced comfort and support, especially for side sleepers. The diamond pattern cover not only adds a touch of elegance, but also helps maintain the mattress's shape and durability. Made with premium cotton materials, it's breathable and soft to the touch, making it perfect for extended use on the floor. Its foldable design ensures easy storage and mobility, combining tradition with modern convenience. Product number 5, Luxton Home Japanese Shiki Futon Foldable Mattress. The Luxton Home Japanese Shiki Futon is designed with travelers and small space dwellers in mind. Its twin long size offers ample sleeping room without occupying too much space, making it ideal for apartments or guest rooms. The futon is foldable and lightweight, easy to carry for travel or storage. Featuring a cotton cover and supportive fill, it provides a comfortable sleeping surface that adapts well to different sleeping positions. The simple yet functional design ensures it fits seamlessly into any lifestyle, perfect for those who need a reliable, portable bed option.